That distinct, high-pitched whine you hear from your automatic transmission, but only when you shift into reverse, is often a normal characteristic of its mechanical design. This specific noise typically comes from the type of gears used for reverse, which are different from the helical cut gears that propel your vehicle forward. Most automatic transmissions use straight-cut gears in their reverse planetary gear set or reverse idler train. These gears are more robust and simpler to manufacture than helical gears, but they are also inherently noisier. Unlike the angled teeth of forward gears that slide smoothly into engagement, straight-cut gear teeth meet more abruptly, which creates that distinct whining or humming sound. This noise will naturally increase in pitch as your reverse speed increases. For many vehicles, including popular models like the Toyota Camry, Ford F-150, and various General Motors architectures, this specific sound in reverse is widely considered normal operational noise by forum mechanics. However, if this whine is exceptionally loud, sounds like grinding, is suddenly new, or is accompanied by a delay in reverse engagement, it can signal a more serious problem. These symptoms often point to a critical deficiency in your automatic transmission fluid level or severely oxidized and viscous fluid. The transmission's hydraulic pump has to work much harder to generate the higher line pressure needed to engage the reverse clutch pack compared to forward gears. If the automatic transmission fluid level is critically low, or the fluid is old and thick, the pump can cavitate, meaning it sucks air along with the fluid. This cavitation causes the pump gears to whine under the high load of reverse engagement. Your mandatory first diagnostic step is to accurately check your automatic transmission fluid level. First, park your vehicle on a perfectly level surface. Second, ensure the engine is running and has reached its original equipment manufacturer-specified operating temperature window. Always consult your owner's manual for the exact procedure, as fluid checking methods vary significantly between vehicles. If the fluid level is low, or if the fluid appears burnt or smells oxidized, perform a drain and fill, using the correct original equipment manufacturer specification fluid. Often, restoring proper fluid volume and using fresh, correct fluid can eliminate cavitation noise and restore hydraulic integrity. Ignoring a new or worsening whine, especially if it includes engagement delays or a harsh grinding sound, can lead to severe internal transmission damage and a significantly costly repair. Address these symptoms promptly to prevent further issues.